Hey there, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's important for all iPhone users: battery health. We all know how frustrating it can be when our phone's battery life starts to decline, so it's essential to regularly check the condition of your iPhone battery. In this video, we'll be discussing the signs of a failing battery, why lithium batteries need replacement, and how you can check your iPhone's battery health indicator. We'll also cover what to do if you experience rapid battery drain, a service or replace message, slow charging, or performance throttling. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why lithium batteries need replacement. Like all batteries, lithium batteries lose their original capacity over time. The chemicals inside the battery gradually break down, reducing the energy the battery can store and release after a full charge. This affects not only iPhones, but also Android phones and any device that uses current battery technology. Several factors can affect the rate at which lithium batteries lose their capacity, including age, usage temperature, and charging patterns. Depending on how you use your iPhone, the degradation can be rapid. However, you'll usually have around 80% of the battery capacity left after 2 to 3 years of complete charge cycles. So how can you tell if it's time to replace your iPhone battery? Well, there are a few key signs to look out for. If your battery health status is replace soon or replace now, the battery may fail at any time and needs to be replaced as soon as possible. If you experience rapid battery drain when idling or under load, your battery may also be on the way out. If your iPhone battery doesn't charge or charges very slowly, it may also be time for a replacement. And finally, if you receive a service or replace message in the battery settings, it's definitely time to replace it. But don't worry, checking your iPhone's battery health indicator is easy. You can access it if your iPhone runs iOS 11.3 or later. Simply go to Settings, select Battery, and then Battery Health and Charging. In the Battery Health section, you'll see the battery health status, battery's maximum capacity, and peak performance capability. If the battery's health status is normal, then the battery is functioning properly and does not need to be replaced. Replacing an iPhone battery is generally worth it, especially if the battery is old or degraded. By replacing the battery, you can help improve the performance and battery life of the iPhone and extend its useful life. It also makes it more valuable if you plan to sell, gift, or trade it. But if you're unsure about how to do a battery replacement yourself, I strongly suggest you get a professional to do it. In general, taking care of your iPhone's battery health is very important to ensure it functions correctly and lasts for as long as possible. So make sure to check your battery health regularly, and if you notice any of the signs I've discussed, consider getting your battery replaced. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. See you next time.